Okay, so I did this video that says 9 days ago. Didn't earn it. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. Don't like it. Sorry. Also, I would like to note, it is nice outside today and the windows are open. I'm upstairs. The dogs are in and out. It's nice. Over there in that pasture, I know. I'm pointing to it like you can see it. You cannot. In that pasture over there, we have a donkey over there. You might hear him. And then the pasture over there, I know, you still can't see the pasture. There's horses in that pasture. You might hear them. Sometimes they make noises. I might move some papers. I don't know. I might cough. If you don't like that, go to fuck on somewhere else. Also, 83% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Got your phone in your hand, you got your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. So now we have hurt some feelings. So let's go down to the comment section and let's apologize. I've already replied to these ones. We're not going to do those. This one. I understand that she did get caught doing something serious and needs to go to jail, but using the nearly famous term DEI hire for every time a person that looks black isn't an accurate way of describing criminal activity. At least give a real honest fact to add to why you think she's a DEI hire. I see white cops do major crime and I don't call it white crime. Well, I didn't call it black crime. It's just called corruption. Let's talk about what that really is about. You just don't like seeing black people that talk like her in uniform and you feel that they are not qualified. Not true. In this situation, you are right that she is a criminal, but when you add the color into conversation, that is where you lost me. I'm black and I'm going to military, I guess that's supposed to be active duty as military police, and definitely feel I'm qualified. Nothing DEI about me. Okay? Well, I guess we won't be the judge of that because I guess, well, okay. So, where's the, I see nothing there. So, yeah, that's where we're at with this. So, stop. I thought it'd bring back up the thumbnail. It won't. So anyway, I will tell you exactly why I say that. This one is not going on patrol by herself. She's not big as a minute. She's taking, if she stops a car, she's going to have 2 or 3 other people there to help her. She is taking nobody. If somebody does not want to be taken into custody, this one is not. She's only going to be able to take into custody people that are compliant. In a minute, her gun can be taken. I could take her gun away. I guarantee you I could take her gun away from her. I'm just saying, DEI at her finest. We got a hand tattoo there, and we got a neck tattoo over here. Back in the day, they would tell you, you see tattoos, that's a sign of gang affiliation. I'm just saying, don't like it? Sorry. So, also, I didn't know, there's an update to this one. Apparently, the charges have been dropped. Why have the charges been dropped? I have no idea. I have read article after article, and I've watched video after video, and I cannot find out why the charges were dropped. However, Nate, the lawyer, he has done this video too. So let's go. Also, I'd like to note, Nate, the lawyer, is black. Imagine that. But he has done this video too. So let's go see what Nate, the lawyer, has to say. Oh, wow, look. Celebrated DEI cop arrested in wild 30 stolen car scandal. Alrighty then. He, Nate the lawyer, black. We call balls and strikes. I'm just saying. Let's see what the video says. Maybe we'll find out why their charges were dropped.
Last March, the Prince George's County Police Department posted this photo on social media celebrating newly sworn-in police officer Sierra Alston's graduation from the police academy. It was part of honoring Women's History Month.
A few moments later.
A Prince George's County rookie officer facing criminal charges.
The rookie cop celebrated by the department last spring in a social media post during Women's History Month was arrested last week after being charged by Washington Metropolitan Airport Authority police with unauthorized use of 3 BMWs. Stolen.
Also, I would like to note I'm not stealing this video that Nate the lawyer has put out. Feel free to read my description and learn how fair use works, and you'll see how this works.
From the 6th rental car company at Reagan National Airport. Now, we know from court documents that her charges stem from an investigation into 30 cars stolen from the company's lot.
Now, this DEI story.
Wait, did he say DEI? He did. He did. Nate the lawyer said this DEI story, I just heard him say that.
Is crazy. So today we are in Prince George County, Maryland, home to about 1 million residents. Now, Prince George wanted to expand the police department and hire 300 new officers. So they took out an ad campaign to see if they can get more people to apply.
Happening now in Maryland, there's a major recruiting effort underway within the Prince George's County Police Department. They're hoping to hire 300 new officers to protect and serve the community. Residents say they are glad the police are hiring more officers because of their concerns about crime. Well, the captain of the recruiting division said.
Hold up.
To about 1 million residents. Now, Prince George wanted to expand the police department and hire 300 new officers. So they took out an ad campaign to see if they can get more people to apply.
Happening now in Maryland, there's a major recruiting effort underway within the Prince George's County Police Department. They're hoping to hire 300 new officers to protect and serve the community. Residents say they are glad the police are hiring more officers because of their concerns about crime.
300 more officers to serve the community. Okay. So, are they hiring officers to look like the community? Because that's what you'll hear them say. The officers that are working in this community have to look like the community they work in, is what they'll say.
Well, the captain of the recruiting division says salaries for experienced officers start at $74,000 and entry-level officers will get $63,000.
Now, Prince George is a very liberal place and they love DEI.
Wait, did he say DEI? They love DEI? That can't be right, can it? Because I just got busted in my last video for saying that.
So, with that in the background, they hired Sierra Alston. Now, Sierra was assigned to the Bureau of Patrol, and in March 2024, the department hired...
Yes, can we appreciate hand tattoo, neck tattoo, DEI. Look, the fucking hat is bigger than she is. I'm just saying.
Highlighted her graduation from the police academy with the social media post celebrating Women's History Month.
Last March, the Prince George's County Police Department posted this photo on social media celebrating newly sworn-in police officer Sierra Alston's graduation from the police academy. It was part of honoring Women's History Month.
Now, this is where things start getting a little crazy. See, the rental car company 6 has just discovered that 30 of their rental cars are missing from Reagan National Airport. It's like insane stuff.
Back up a second here. 30 cars stolen from the airport parking lot for one rental company.
Yeah, Jim, that one got our attention too. That was in the affidavit. We asked a lot of questions to Sixt about this. Long and short, the affidavit says that corporate got word about 30 missing vehicles. They sent a team of investigators almost immediately to corporate of how this could possibly happen. Their only response was that they were cooperating with police on this investigation, Jim.
I get panicked when I lose my car in a parking lot myself. I can't imagine losing 30, but that's another story for another day. David, thank you.
So the police went to work. First, they looked at the high-end vehicles. They're a little easier to find because they all have GPS in them. So when they tracked down the first two BMWs, they find Sierra Austin's police uniform in one and her Bluetooth connected to another.
That rental car company is called Sixt. Earlier this year, they discovered around 30 cars were stolen from their Reagan location. Corporate sent a team to track them down and almost immediately found a stolen BMW outside an address connected with Alston in Southeast D.C. A Prince George's County police jacket was found inside that car, as well as documents that connected Alston, according to police.
Now, the police department asked Austin, hey, there was a stolen BMW found in front of your house with your police jacket inside it. Can you explain it? This was Austin's excuse.
Because they have an excuse for everything. That's just cops in general.
It's also alleged when confronted by an investigator last spring, she claimed she had taken an Uber and lost her jacket. When told that car was in front of her house, it's alleged she claimed she didn't live there.
Now, you would think that would be enough, but police found a whole bunch more. Check it out.
After further investigation, 2 other BMWs stolen from the lot were quickly located. In all, 2 of the BMWs had evidence that the radio had been connected to Alston's phone. The third BMW is the same car driven by Alston to take her boyfriend to the hospital after he was stabbed in March, according to the affidavit.
Now, she was so reckless with it, she was even caught on police body cam footage driving a third BMW.
And she was seen with the third BMW in D.C. police body cam footage.
As for that car, further investigation into that vehicle revealed that it was abandoned on April 9th in the area of Millingen Lane and Spring Accru Road, Clinton, Prince George's County, Maryland, after the victim spoke with Officer Alston on her cell phone, the victim referring to the rental car company in this case.
So after all the nonsense, the evasive questions, police just charged her. They had enough to charge her.
Now to a story that we've been following closely. A Prince George's County rookie officer facing criminal charges. That officer appeared before a judge today. Sierra Alston faces 3 counts of unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Ms. Alston, is there anything that you would like to say?
Yes, get those cameras on my face. You got the cashew.
Did you steal these cars?
Did you?
Prince George's County police officer Sierra Alston leaving the Arlington County District Court today after a brief appearance for her arraignment. Well, yesterday, the department revealed Alston was arrested last week and is facing felony charges for unauthorized use of 3 rental cars stolen from Reagan National Airport. 7 News obtaining the criminal complaint filed in Arlington, Virginia. It's now alleged that just after that graduation picture was posted, the Sixt rental car company recovered 3 2024 BMWs taken from their lot between February and April. An airport authority police officer claiming that in one car they found a female PGPD jacket. In another, Alston's Instagram account was linked to the entertainment system, and that Alston was recorded driving the third car during an interaction with a D.C. police officer. They also allege Alston's cell phone pinged near the airport on 3 occasions during the period when the cars were taken. The last time, just 5 days after her police graduation.
So now, generally, at this point in the video, I'd be like, share, subscribe, do like great YouTube stuff. But then, with this story, something strange has happened. See,
Something very strange has happened because they're going to tell you what they usually tell you. Nothing.
the evidence in this case was pretty strong. Her ID and personal belongings with the police jacket were found in the car. The car was found in front of her house. She was seen on police body cam driving the car. She drove her boyfriend to the hospital in that car. Like, she was definitely using that vehicle. But, for some reason, they dropped the charges against her in this particular case. With that, here it is. Car theft-related charges against a former Prince George's County police officer were dropped on Thursday in Arlington. And he had
And that's all they're going to tell you about that.
don't even really go into why. They just kind of dropped them. Now, there are many reasons why prosecutors drop charges. For instance, the evidence may not have been as strong as they thought it was. And you can also have the situation where the witness isn't cooperating. 6 could be embarrassed. They did just lose 30 cars in the most moronic way. Their system obviously has some flaw. Or she could be a cooperating witness to a larger scheme. There weren't 30 cars missing, for instance. But I want to make it clear, that's all speculation. As of right now, March 14th, 2025 at 2:29 p.m., she is innocent of all charges because she's not going to be found guilty in a court of law, and these charges have been dismissed. But as a hypothetical, do you think the DA's office could have gotten a conviction for unauthorized use of a vehicle based on the evidence we had in front of us? We got the car company 6 saying that she was unauthorized to use the vehicles when she was using the vehicles. You got her from everything from being in the vehicles on police body cam to her personal items being in the car. So as a hypothetical, do you think they would have had enough to convict her? Let me know in the comment section. But it may sound easy, but it may be a little bit more complicated than you think. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, do all that great YouTube stuff. My name is Nate the Lawyer, and I'm out. Peace.
Okay, thank you, Nate. So, yeah, go to his channel and give him a like and a subscribe. So let's see what his comments have to say. Surely they'll be nice, right? She's a dirty cop. She's been on the force for 3 hours. They don't want equal rights. They want special rights. If you got 30 cars stolen from one place, that is 100% an inside job. She's a gang member. When I was in prison, anytime somebody had that rose on their neck, it was gang. I'm just saying. The minute she opened her mouth to talk to the reporter, explained everything about her. They didn't charge her because she is a pregnant black woman. The fact that she did this and got away with it is a crime in itself. The cops don't become car thieving criminals. Car thieving criminals become cops. They made her a hero while she was being a criminal. That's some amazing detective work there, officers. People need to be accountable for their crimes. Well, drop charges. Now that is privilege. Imagine hiring a person to be a cop who's dumber than a criminal she's supposed to be investigating. Shaking my head. Absolute joke that the charges were dropped. Utter disgrace. Whoever gave the order to drop the charges should be fired. The graduation picture with a neck tattoo should have been the first sign. Well, I mentioned that. They're all tatted up and all that shit, but you're supposed to not notice that. When you lower your standards, you tend to get the trash that no one wants. Well, fresh out of the police academy, and she already forgot that she has the right to remain silent. She sounded pretty ghetto and unintelligent in front of the camera. You know she's going to sue, claiming she was fired for being pregnant and black and didn't do nothing. Was the police department looking for the dumbest people they could possibly hire? Since when is stealing 3 expensive cars termed unauthorized use? They used to call it Grand Theft Auto. Yes, thank you for mentioning that. I was wondering if somebody was going to mention that. No, that's only Grand Theft Auto for people that don't look like them. Yes, Grand Theft Auto for you, not for them, not for the privileged ones, not for the DEIs, the didn't earn it's. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'm sure you will. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 83% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You got your phone in your hand, you got your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.